What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video. This one's only going to be a quick video because I'm actually in the middle of filming a video about replacing my whole rear door actuator. So basically like the central lock-in unit or module or whatever mechanism. So yeah, I thought I'll make a short video about how to actually open your rear door if you've got a deadlock. Yeah, it's only just to show you guys that have this issue, how these actuators work, and also how to open the door so that you can replace it in the first place, which I'll be doing in the next video. So as I said, this is just a short, sweet video on how it actually works and how to get your door open. So first things first, guys, if your door's shut like mine and it's dead, what I've had to do is take the door panel off to actually gain access to this area. And this is where you kind of see how it works, which I'll flip the camera around. And what I've had to do is I've had to make a huge ugly hole in that section. And this arm needs to be pushed completely up because something's broken inside this actuator. And that arm is what controls your lock-in. So I'll actually show you the new actuator and explain it better because obviously I'm in the process of still replacing this one. So I just thought I'll show you. If you need to open your door, you need to get into this area and push this up, because without that going up, nothing's gonna open from the inside or outside. It just won't do anything. So here we have our actuator, and I'll try and explain it as best I can. So what we're looking at in that section I've just told you that I've drilled out is this arm. Now, how I've kind of worked out how this thing works is basically when you close your door, if you can see that is what goes into that section, right? So when you shut your door, basically this goes into there, and then that's your door closed, okay? But now to open it is this. So when you try and push that up, this will be your handle that's connected from the inside of the car, When you try and pull the cable and it just won't open, it means that this lock inside is down. So what needs to happen for it to open is the lock has to go up, that's the open position. And once you click that, as you can see, the screwdriver's just popped out of there. That's what opens your door. Now when that's actually stuck in that position, and what was happening with mine is every time I tried to push this up with a screwdriver, it just kept bouncing back down. So I had to force it. I had to get my screwdriver in this section and force it to open it while trying to open the door from the inside and outside. And then from this other section, you can see this is what connects to the handle, from the outside. So same process. That's your handle from the outside. I'll do the same thing. If I lock that, you can see, look, this handle just moves. See? It's not doing anything. Once I've opened it, look, you can actually hear the mechanism unlocking. So if I do the same thing, locked, once that's open, this is from the outside handle, screwdriver pops out again. So this is the whole issue with these actuators on VWs. That's your child lock, obviously. But this is your issue. So you need to, if you're having the same issue, you need to get to this section and push that up. Hopefully that helps, guys. And I'll just put it on the side of this so you can actually see what I'm trying to talk about. That arm is basically that arm. You can see I've jammed it up. So hopefully that helps you guys with this issue to open your door. And if you do want to see me changing it over, check my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Bye.